My name is Chris. My last name Balduc. It sounds like Balduc. So my name is Chris. I'm from Southern California. I grew up in a family that was strong influence with music and art. I'm very, very lucky because my background involved going on field trips to the Museum of Modern Art in Los Angeles. I'm very lucky, so I have a strong influence of art in my life, and music as well. The deaf community here in Portland is very, very diverse. Many people here who are deaf, hard of hearing have background the same as me. We've been involved with music and art for many years, but because we're deaf, it becomes frustrating for us. Luckily, the deaf community here is very, very close, and news spread quickly that CymaSpace was set up to give us access to music and performance art. Art is the dynamic that is happening in a space between a viewer and a created object or performance, like a painting or a sculpture or a musical performance. What's happening in that space, that's what truly is interesting. If a deaf person is watching a musical performance and they cannot hear it, then the dynamic of art is not happening in that space. So the challenge for me in this organization is trying to find ways to help deaf people understand music and for art to really happen in the area. We need to do that through sensory substitution. And we need to find ways to make that substitution fresh and interesting for people. We want to show the hearing world that deaf people are able to understand sound at a different level than just sound itself. We have different ways we can understand listening to music, and not just sound alone. The lights, the vibrations, and things make a special experience. At the same time, we're not interested in becoming like hearing people in the way we understand music. We want to stay deaf and appreciate what we have as deaf people. But we want to change music in a way that is accessible for us, to translate it into something new.